Yeah. Oh, it's a pretty design. Look at that. Somebody had sidewalk paint and they did a good job.
This is like a market. This is like a market. Oh, no fire. Oh, mama. This is a firework. This is big.
Okay.
We're just playing hide and seek, Mom. Come where I am, Mama. Come where I'm going. Come with. Hey, Mama. We're gonna play hide and seek.
Not a lot of places to hide here. Oh.
Come over here with me, Mama. Look. It's a fireplace. Look, it's a fireplace. This is a fireplace.
Okay. It's right up there. We can go right up there.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Yeah, we climb up. Is this illegal?
Nope. You can do it. Be careful, Window.
Man. How can I use this log I could?
Where, Window?
Mama, look. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Hey, look at this. Nope.
Oh, look at all these rocks. I've never seen so much iron ore in one place.
You just don't like I don't know. Tell you, Mama. I'm going to use one of these.
Yeah, you can.
I can't. They have.
This one's shorter. Right here. Come here. This one's. Look, come here. This one's really short. Right here. You can do this one.
I can do this one.
Let's try this one right here, baby.
Mama, look. Come over here with me. That's what we feed in the duck. That's what we feed in the duck. Hey, Mama. Can I drink some water? I'm thirsty.
Sure.
It's dirty.
Can I comb your hair over to the side, baby?
No.
Yep. Oh, look at this. Oh.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. Is that a stink bug?
I don't know. They're just
I want
huge.
to go back over there. We're playing hide and seek.
Okay.
Let's go. Then we're gonna go back on the walking trip. Now, were you happy that we went here? Happy that we went here.
Oh, good.
$18, $19, $20. Ready or not, here I come. Hey, let's play cat. Cat. This is hard to sit cat. So you gotta run. Hey, you gotta run though. I slipped. I'm not doing that. Okay. Now let me hide. Oh, I'm not doing that. Now let me hide. No. Okay, we're going to look at this. I got a really good place to hide. What did you? What? There's a spider web literally right there. Where's spider web? Right now. Mommy, look! I found some rocks for you.
Thank you.
And put them in your pocket.
Okay.
Well, I can put them in my pocket. Can we go on the walking trail?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, let's go on.
This way. Come here.
Go this way.
No, baby, you can go this way too.
Let's go in there. Look at here. We haven't gone in here yet. Look. We were complicated. I first knew that there was one, and I said that one on that side.
Yeah, we'll stay kind of. Don't. Watch this. See? Look at the color of the leaves and
Yeah.
the color of the copperhead.
Oh, there could be one right in here.
They're very difficult
think
to
I-
distinguish. See?
Hey, maybe standing in the way.
Yeah, we will look at.
Yeah.
These leaves are pretty good camouflage for a copperhead.
Look on the ground. Just try to stand on the gravel. No, we haven't been here yet. We haven't been across here yet. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Just step on the Just step on the gravel. Mama, be quiet. Everyone, be quiet. Let's go step.
Might be a bar. Think it's a bear?
A booger.
You think there's a chicken bear? You're not gonna hear a copperhead. Yeah.
I thought I saw something that was curled up. That might be a copperhead. I may have.
Oh, somebody did some more chalk art.
Hey, don't go over there. What's your step? I love your step. Yeah. No, it says. Oh, that's so good. And this is so good. Who can even do that? A dog! Look! Cute dog. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a dog without a lead. Come on! Mama, somebody's coming. Somebody's coming towards
Well,
us. Mama.
we will just stand aside and let them go through.
That's a good puppy. That's a good dog. Okay, it won't bite us. No. That's a good puppy. It's vegan. Yeah. Right now. Who puppy is that? Actually there to get
Hi, is that your pup?
That's a field dog.
You have one of those pet tools, I bet.
Oh man, I buy a lot of bags here. Okay, Hot, we're going. You gonna come home?
This dog is a rock hand.
Go to the children. You can golden retriever. They are not vicious. If they come in.
Pretty
Good
dog.
Boy. Good boy. You're being obedient. Are you showing off?
Pretty dog. Is he kind of big for a golden retriever?
According to my vet, he's enormous for a golden retriever.
That's what I was thinking because they're not really usually that big. Yeah, nice.
Yes. Say, I just love food.
Pretty.
If I could just live in a grocery store.
With that size, I'm sure. That's about
Rocky Mountains. I love the Rocky Mountains.
us too. If we lived anywhere else, it'd be the mountains with the rivers and yeah, that's it.
Hard to beat the beach.
And wash your hands when you're finished.
Yes, you should because they're going to smell. I think you might have an ear infection, but you won't get it because you're not going to get it.
I'm not a dog.
That's right. You don't have flappy ears. See, when they have flappy ears and they get in the mud and they get bugs. You be careful. You're on the ledge there, kid.
Oh my.
Thank you.
That's
Come
why
here.
they built this.
Yeah, let's come to the other side.
We're
The,
going home.
the other part is copperheads, avoiding those.
Yeah, well, they shouldn't be out.
Hopefully not.
But you never know if they're down in those swamps.
Right, they're somewhere, but this leaf is a great camouflage for them.
Certainly is. That's where we stay on the trail.
Beautiful, beautiful puppy. Yeah,
Appreciate it all. Next time, bring food.
we sure will. What kind of food does he like? Oh,
He eats Purina, but he gets one dog biscuit at 8 o'clock. And he knows exactly when it's 8 o'clock.
I bet he does. Bye-bye, puppy.
Bye. Yeah, no.
It's almost-
This does not work.
Oh, it doesn't? Let's.
She
Oh,
was
yeah.
right over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over here. Are you going? Mama, get him over there. He took.
Hey. I don't have good shoes for hiking today. That sounded like somebody had a wreck.
That was the one?
Yeah, there was kind of a crash and the wheels kind of, yeah,
What did you say?
tires kind of, yeah, that's what it sounded like.
one. I'm running out. And I'm going to kill them with a fishing rod. And I'm going to throw them in the water.
Maybe that's somebody's fishing stuff. That's somebody else's fishing stuff.
I do not really trust this. I'm coming back. I do not trust that thing. Look. You see, we're literally like over water. So, can you see the bottom? I can a little. But that's deep. You see how it is. Look at 3 fishing rods. Look at those ducks over there. Or look at one. Oh, yeah. Let's go over there. Lily, let's go over there. But I'd rather not. You can catch a catfish in here.
Sunfish and largemouth bass.
We'll catch a catfish and catfish. Well, can you catch? You can catch a poisonous snake has been spotted in this area. Look.
What kind of snake that is?
There's a largemouth bass and a catfish.
That's not.
Mama, look at these. But there could be, look, largemouth bass, sunfish, catfish, and trout released in December. Wait, is trout going to be released in December? Because it just said that.
Yeah, they probably released the trout.
You're getting close.
Whoops.
Okay, look on the ground. There could be snakes. There's one that is black and yellow. That's the one that I saw. Oh, the ducks are coming over here. Mama, the ducks. Oh. The ducks. That's so cute. The ducks. The ducks. I wish we had a lake like this. They went under. Whoa. Whoa, that's nuts. It's a goose. Why aren't they scared this time?
They're just swimming in a little.
They're just ignoring us now.
They are.
We better get away.
They're just. Maybe they go find minnows over here or something.
They're like they don't even see us. They're like they don't even see us. Look. They're just ignoring us. You know those poisonous snakes that we were talking about? They may be like that's crazy. I never seen ducks just want to be with a person. Look, they're just staying there. They didn't move at all. Last time they did, but they was like, they wanted to run away. But this time, not at all. I bet they're like used to this. They may be used to people going next to them. There have been, it was a long time since we came here with Josiah. Remember that? and they couldn't, and other people could have just came and not like mess with them and they could mess with them, but they didn't. And they get more used to people, right?
That was a wreck. They've sent an ambulance, it sounds like. It was a pretty loud pop.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, let's go. You know, when the roads are wet like this, sometimes people have wrecks.
Hey, stop! 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 What are you doing? Don't do that. I thought he couldn't stop me. Come on, let's keep going. Oh, there's USB. What a coincidence.
Come here, this way.
USB.
UPS?
That's crazy. There's the ambulance. And then you. Oh, I found an acorn. Here's an acorn. Does my hair look the same? I was just wondering. Because when I was like my seatbelt, I thought. Let's go. Hey, I'm looking at acorn. Me too. There's acorn. Let's see if the ducks are actually following us. Look. I'm gonna stick these in my pocket. Here's another one. Here's one. I'm looking at acorns. Oh. Look what I found. I'm gonna find some. Hey, there's an acorn like top right here. Wait. If you have these two, look at this. This is crazy. If you have like these two, you can put this over here and you have an acorn. Wait, it's like a hat. Peel back? Kind of, if you keep it. Oh, I found one digged into the ground. Look. Wow. Look, it literally steals back. Ooh, windy out here. It's seal bait. Windy. Yeah. A little. Windy. I think a lot. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Now I seal it back. Wow. There's two dogs that I'll see. Look. There's two dogs that I'll see. There's one right there. Look. Another dog. My acorn. I got no puppy. I don't know, but I think something just jumped at me. Because I saw some. Because I heard something. Mama, there's another puppy. Yeah, look, there's another puppy. Look, there's another puppy.
Yeah, another puppy. I told you, people walk their dogs out here.
Yeah. Those are so cute puppies.
Here's the
That's a
take
baby.
the trail. Here's the trail.
Oh, that's where look, this is where we are. Look, that's where this thing was. Elder Lakey whole thing. Bridge. Bro, that's big. Oh, we're on that bridge. Look down. Multi-use trail. There's a multi-use trail. We're right there. Yeah. This is where the map is. We're right here. But, oh, no, yeah, right there. Right there. That's where the map is. That's where we are. So, come on, let's just go. Let's go home. You want me to crack this icon? Yeah. Yeah, Mom. He can ride it on his bicycle. Mama, look. If that's illegal. We only go to there, but we didn't go home. No, I don't want to. We're to, like, finish too long. Look, look. I only went over there. No, I don't want to go more. No. No. Did you get the video of that? Oh, what is that called? This is a dog that's just a fox. And bark when they find it.
They bark when they find a rock. Yeah.
Is that a rock? What is it called?
Yeah, she called the dog a actual rock hound.
Oh yeah, a rock. Copperhead.
Wasn't just the, it's a type of,
It's my favorite.
she said it's a type of golden retriever.
But you thought that yeah, this is my box.
Well, I thought when she said rockhound, she just meant like how,
shoot a snake. Why are all these stickers over here? Look. It's because the snake put them there.
I thought maybe she
got
meant
my
they just
pistol.
searched for rocks like we did.
I want to go.
Okay.
What, is this like some type of animal thing or whatever?
No, people built that. They took all that iron ore and then put some concrete with it.
This is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Look, love yourself. Love you. That is actually pretty pretty. How can someone make? You know how some artists just build something like you're inside there, like you're inside a movie or something. You know, like really good ones. Come on, let's keep going. What is it? We need to go. No, it's not. Yeah, maybe. No, it's hollow like. I don't think so. There's this little circle. I'm getting out of here. No, I didn't want to come here because Copperhead. What?
Okay.
There's a Copperhead in a tornado.
Mm-hmm.
That's one home. And these are talking. I mean, drive home really fast. And you're going to put it to 100 to speed. Trees. No kidding. Some are just flying. No, they're not kidding. The wind is blowing them off. That was. That was me. Oh, look. There's millions. Look. There has to be at least 100 of them. There has to be. Hey, they just crazy. That's fine. There has to be one. They were making the Texas sign? Okay. It looks like bad poison snake. Oh, more poison snake. No.
Yeah. Oh.
I was about to watch. Look how much time they can be spent. Look at this. There, and then there. But look at this. These are the shapes that I can make this my favorite. Yank, yank, and then yank. Or yank, yank, and then yank. And
Watch out. Come back.